Alright guys, last unboxing again. Video shot in the same day. Same clothes, same face. I think I cut myself. So this is the unboxing for the Kooks Catless X pipe. 3x3 off-road stainless steel X pipe. Catless connects to the oh, I thought I got the wrong headers for a second. I was about to be like, well, that sucks. No. It's just saying that it connects to the OEM style exhaust and includes a talking about the mid pipe and stuff. You gotta run headers with this, guys. You gotta run Kook headers with this if you want a Kook X pipe. So you know that tracks. Let's crack it open. Okay. What we got here? We got the mid pipe. We got the X section, and we got some more pipes. Bunch of clamps. All right, clamp. I think that's like never sees or something like that. More clamp. All right. More clamps. Cool. Okay. Oh, there's a clamp in there for it to connect to the courses. Oh, got another clamp. It's clamped out in here. Okay. So the first box we have is the X section. It's the coolest part. Oh yeah. Look at that weld quality. That's nice. Just gonna lay that right there. Yeah, I probably can't see. You might be able to actually. You can see where there you go. Where the X section comes into play. Yeah, that's cool. Even though the C7s actually come with factory X pipes, I believe, but clearly this is Catless, so that should definitely play a bit more sound. Check this box out. My cats keep trying to chew on everything. Next one, I think this one's just piping. I say just very loosely because it's all still very important to the application, but in regards to, yeah, so this is what's gonna, if you see that little bell section, that's what's gonna connect to the headers. And that's why you can only run these with Kook headers, is because that's their mating surface. So just gonna try playing around right here. I think maybe not. We'll see. Right there, yeah. Looking more like an X pipe. All right. Next would be the I don't remember opening this, but clearly I did. This is the mid pipe. Oh yeah, the mid pipe. This one's a big one. And I'm gonna just say it goes. This is what's gonna connect to the exhaust system. So, I mean the courses. So I'm quite curious to see how they do that. But like I said, look at all them welds. There goes another Kook logo. I think that's a Kook's logo. No, that's nothing actually. Okay, that's just, never mind. Lay this out right here. Bam. Okay. Looking more like an exhaust setup. So I'm guessing they go over it and then the clamps yeet and yeet. Wait. Oh, okay, cause I say, yo, it ain't fitting. It's like a little give right there for you to squeeze it. So I'm guessing the heat right there, and then the heat right there. Let's see how many clamps we got. Make sure the math is mathing. Okay, so obviously 2 for the forward portion, 2 more for the mid portion, and I can only assume 2 more for where it will connect to the courses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We in there. Okay. All right. So Kooks Catless X pipe. This ran me about I think like $930, but you can get a deal on this as well. So you know, screw me. I think you get like $150 off right now, so you can walk out with it for about high 7s, low 8s. I want to say. I don't know the exact number, but I believe they're still running their sale on this right now. Great workmanship. Love it. Looks beautiful. Can't wait to get in the car and see what she's gonna sound like. Even though I kind of have an idea what it's gonna sound like. But that'll do it for this one. This one was a little bit simpler than the others. Kinda, not really. I don't know how to further explain that, but to be honest, I really was trying to shoot for a Corsa used to have these double helix, and what it would be was you get one X pipe, and then there'll be like another X pipe connector right here before it went out to the tail end of the car. But I couldn't find them anywhere in time, and Catless X pipes are still kind of hard to get because of the whole legalities of it all. So those are discontinued. So clearly this is just gonna have to do it. I would love to probably use a double helix design down the road, but I would say it's not that deep, but I thought that was so cool to have like something a little more unique. Like I said, the C7 already comes with an X pipe setup. It just has cats in it and a lot more sound deadening and things like that. And I think a smaller diameter pipe. I could be wrong though. But like I said, that's gonna do it for this week's video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I do my best to answer them as best as I can. As far as like when all these will get onto the car, I do not know. I will be going to a shop to install everything. I want to install the courses by themselves, but I kind of want the full experience of the whole exhaust system being on, from headers to the X pipe to the Corsa Extremes. So I'm gonna be heading to LS Experts to get that done eventually, because the car will have to be tuned. I know most of y'all are probably, you ain't gotta run a tune with headers. Don't do that. That's not a good long-term solution. And like I said, I'm trying to, well, I never said that. I'm trying to build the longevity of the car. So we're gonna get it tuned, and we're gonna get the full perks of a full exhaust system, because the Eclipse, granted, even though it's getting a turbo put in it, it's never had a full exhaust system. It's just been the simple muffler delete, resonator delete, and send it. That's not the route we're going with this build. It's gonna be a lot more upscale, not knocking the Eclipse, but just gonna be a lot more bougie, maybe. No, I'm going to invest as much as I can into this car the right way, instead of like making shortcuts. That's what I'm trying to say. The Eclipse is allowable to do that. It was my beginner car. It's just a 4-cylinder, so it wasn't like I was chasing power out the gate. But now that we are turboing it, we are gonna go into more specified things on how to get it more upscale to the Vet. But again, the Vet is just in a whole other tier of its own out the box. So like I said, if y'all have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll catch y'all next time. And remember to hold that dream. Bye.